Hey there, check out the Fontaines Luxury Black Velvet Felt Non-Slip Clothes Hangers 50-pack designed to save space and keep your wardrobe organized. These ultra-thin padded black hangers feature a sleek velvet finish with a sturdy swivel hook that holds up to 10 pounds. The soft black velvet prevents clothes from slipping off, protecting delicate fabrics like silk and dress shirts. Their space-saving design eliminates bulky plastic hangers, helping your clothes maintain their shape longer. Plus, the 360-degree swivel hook allows easy access and neat storage in any closet. Made from strong durable black metal, these hangers combine style and functionality effortlessly. With Fontaines, you get a premium, heavy-duty solution for organizing suits, shirts, skirts, pants, and more. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.